Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday morning. Check this out. This is like garbage.
Need this for? No, I did the milk part. You did the coffee part.
What did you get again, babe?
Same thing. Avocado smash.
Avocado smash.
Yep.
You killed your art.
I know. Bye bye.
This.
This is this.
Thank you.
Guys, have a good one. Bye. I want to say thank you to the girls and the owner of Cafe U. If you're watching this, thumbs up, everybody. Thumbs up on the food. Love it. I'll see you guys Monday. See you guys Monday. And then Saturday again. Look at the hair game with my nigga Ali. So we're out driving around, enjoying the Florida weather.
Carpet that we hopefully match.
Yeah, we it was a whole big mess of the carpet, but you had to buy a long one. Fuck it. But yeah, just hanging around, having a quick little drink. But I'm not driving though, so I'm good. And then tonight, more of it and eating. See you guys there. We're back home. Gizmo about to take a shower. Gizmo about to take a shower. Gizmo take a shower.
They're gonna be happy.
Clean them up good. This is what he does when you finish. Alright, so we're at Cantina So. Family, the dog. Better go eat. And it's raining. So yeah, right here. Best place to eat too. Besides Cafe U, that's good. Like coffee, breakfast, awesome people. Cafe U and Cantina So, which is for lunch. My girl Vicky works here. Vicky, if you're watching this, thumbs up for you too.
These are really good.
I know these are addicting.
Is they good, Don?
Yeah. I don't eat any of this.
Yeah, he doesn't need that.
His first time eating chips and salsa, and he was almost 17.
Almost 17 and he's that. Dip it in the sauce.
Oh.
He loved it.
Okay, I'm at dinner with you guys now.
I see behind me, I did not expect that to rain.
What other flavor martinis are
Oh well, right? We're still gonna be hanging out, having it. All right, so it's raining. Supposedly there's a tornado warning.
We're taking cover.
Look at this face. Either or. I'm already good. Having a drink, still. Everybody's safe. We're good. Tornado is gone.
We're alive.
We're alive. The owners of this restaurant where we're eating at giving us free shots and giving us discounted drinks.
What's he eating?
So you can't go wrong. You really can't go wrong. Think about it.
Okay, so I was just in the kitchen and it was really cool, but I didn't get to videotape it because the camera wasn't working, sadly. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you guys a tour of Cantina Sol. So you'll see right now. Alright, so as you can see, I was just watching the news. And yeah, there's like 2 or 3 tornadoes out right now. I'm having this like Cinnamon thing in. But we were enjoying out there until the tornado wanted to ruin it, sadly. But yeah, so Cantina Sol is really good. You guys should definitely go here. Super nice. The people treat you really nice. Yeah, so thumbs up for Cantina Sol. Oh my gosh, what just happened? Daughter takeover.
The boys are gonna do a condom challenge. They're gonna put it on their head and then blow out of their nose and try to see who can blow it bigger.
Alright, now blow it. Hold it, hold it. Hold it. Keep going, you got it, you got it. Keep going, you gotta go hard. Keep going.
The flu or something?
Ah!